Hi everybody, Hyacinth here from Earth Medicine Healing and welcome to another episode of Medicine Mondays. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious recipe as a follow-up to my Facebook and Instagram posts on the health benefits of coconuts. Today I have a young Thai coconut and I'm going to show you how to make two recipes actually today. One that is going to help to produce healthy bacteria in your gut to get those healthy probiotics going, which will also help to protect the gut wall lining to prevent against leaky gut. It will also help to boost your immune system, give you really healthy glowing skin, and 80% of the serotonin, which is the feel-good hormone, is actually produced in the gut. So once you take care of the gut of your health and get healthy probiotics in there, like this recipe, it will help to boost your mood. Serotonin is found in a lot of antidepressant medications, so if you can get it in a natural way, getting healthy probiotics, taking care of your gut in order to promote a healthy mood, why not? I say go for a delicious recipe. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So there's a couple ways to open a young Thai coconut. I'm going to use the old-fashioned way that my family do in Jamaica using this cleaver, but there's this really cool tool called the Cocoa Jack that you can get on Amazon, and you can use that, and it's a really good way to open up the coconut in maybe a safer way for you. So if you are used to using this, I use the point of this cleaver here, and I just make little incisions into the coconut, and then we cut it open. You just peel off the top here, pry it open. And then inside is this living water that I wrote about in the post, full of electrolytes. So it's really great to drink coconut water, as we all know, after sports and working out. But this is fresh and living, so it's better to get it from a coconut, in my opinion. So we have our coconut water here, and then you want to scoop out the meat that is inside the coconut. So it has this white flesh that you can see here. This is the coconut meat, which is a really good source of healthy fats for you. So you want to scoop that out. And then you put it into the container. So you want to scoop out the entire coconut, which does take a couple of minutes. So here is some I made earlier. So we're going to add these in. So I'm going to give you a close-up of the coconut meat here so you can actually see how delicious it is. And once you make this recipe, you're not going to be able to make it without eating the meat. It's really good. So you pour in, you're going to need about 2 coconuts. If you're going to buy them, I would get about 3 just to be sure, because sometimes the inside of the coconut is really fleshy and watery. So you want to make sure that you have meat that is kind of thick and hard to make that creamy, smooth yogurt texture. So to this mixture, you want to add, what makes this probiotic is we're going to add the probiotic capsules because we're going to ferment this. So you take your probiotics. I'll show you the brand I use. So I like to use Dr. Perlmutter's 90 billion strain, which is an immune blend of probiotics. So you want to take the capsules and open them and then just pour the liquid into your blender. Open this one up, put the powder in, and then if you have a Vitamix, you can definitely put the casing in because you would swallow it anyway. So it doesn't matter if you have a really strong blender, you can put that in. So you have your probiotic capsules, you have your coconut water, you have your coconut meat, and you want to blend it up until it's really smooth. So excuse me for a moment. So you want to let that run until you end up with a really smooth and creamy texture, as I have here. So you can see that it has the creaminess of a regular yogurt and the same texture. So you pour it into a glass jar, the mixture that you've blended, and you want to cover it You don't want to fill it up. You want to make sure that you leave some room because during the fermentation process it will expand. So you put a lid on and you want to make sure that the container that you use is glass and that it's really, really clean and really, really dry. So then you put it in a dark place in your kitchen counter and leave it for about 48 hours. After 28 hours, you can open it and check it. And when you taste it, you should try to make sure that you have that yogurt tangy taste, that sour kind of flavor. But usually it takes about 48 hours for me to get the consistency and also the sour yogurt fermented taste that I like. Once it's fermented and it's ready, you can then put it in the fridge. You can have a tablespoon every day as a source of a probiotic. Feel free to take your regular probiotics alongside it, or you can make a really healthy treat, dessert, breakfast, whatever you like. So here we have our base for our parfait, and you can definitely layer it, put like some fruit, some granola, some yogurt, fruit, granola, yogurt. But for ease of this recipe, we've got the coconut here. I'm gonna layer it with some granola. I really love this grain-free, purely Elizabeth brand. And then I just put a layer of the granola. So that will add the nice crunch, add some texture. You can press it down a little bit. And then you can add some fresh raspberries. And then some blueberries or strawberries, bananas, whatever fruits you like. And just add those on top. And I love to sprinkle some cinnamon on top. You can just dust that on. And there you have it, a delicious coconut yogurt parfait, healthy in probiotics, healthy in antioxidants. This is grain-free, so it's also healthy for your gut too. And you can have this for breakfast, you can have it as a snack, you can have it as a base for your smoothies, you can put the yogurt as a base for your smoothies, or just eat it as it is as a daily probiotic. So please do try this at home. It's quick, easy, simple, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Medicine Mondays. Ciao. So good. Bye.